Hello, today we will guide you through how to grant admin and advertiser permission to a Facebook business page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Meta Business Suite to add people and assign the right level of access, whether that's full admin control or advertiser-only permissions. Start by opening facebook.com in a desktop browser and signing into the account that manages your business presence. Using a desktop view makes the menus and settings easier to find. From the left-hand navigation, select your business page. If you manage more than one, use the search bar to quickly locate the correct page. Once your page is open, look for Meta Business Suite. This is the management hub for your page, assets, and team permissions. Click to enter Business Suite. At the top left, open the Profile dropdown to confirm you're in the correct business portfolio, especially if you oversee multiple brands or pages. Next, click the small Settings gear to open Business Settings. Here, you'll see all your business assets and controls. In the left sidebar, choose People. This is where you add team members, view their access, and adjust roles. Click Invite People. You'll be prompted to enter the work email addresses of the people you want to add to your business portfolio. Make sure you have the authority to grant access. You'll need to be an admin yourself to invite or upgrade others. Follow the on-screen steps to set the appropriate permissions. If you're granting admin access, look for options like Full Control or Admin for the page, and confirm any additional assets you want them to manage. Admins can edit page settings, add or remove users, and manage connected assets, so grant this level only to trusted team members. If you're granting advertiser permission, assign access to the page and any related ad accounts with the advertiser or similar role. This typically allows creating and managing ads, viewing insights, and using the Ads Manager without giving control over critical page settings or user management. If you see an Assign Assets or Advanced Options section, use it to select the specific page and add accounts, then set the access level to advertiser. Review your selections carefully, then send the invitation. The person you invited will receive an email and a Facebook notification to accept. Until they accept, their status will show as pending in the people list. You can resend an invite from the same screen if needed. That's it. You've navigated to Meta Business Suite, opened business settings, and invited users with the right admin or advertiser permissions for your Facebook business page.